Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Loving Little Learners. So if you're like me, you've been racking your brain on figuring out how we can go about celebrating our students and making them feel special during remote learning or just in general. So what I've done is created this Bitmoji birthday room that is super fun. And this is just a really great way to showcase your students for the day and to make them feel special. So first I'm going to show you how you can go about using this slide, and then I'll show you how you can edit it for your own classroom needs. Okay, so everything in this first room is linked. So it will take you to a different page. You can see on the bottom, I have cupcakes for each month of the year. And depending on the month that you're in, you can go ahead and click. So I'm going to click on January. And then once I click on January, it's going to take me to the calendar. Here you can practice counting up until their birthday, counting down, seeing how many days are left, doing calendar math with this, and just kind of showing whose birthday is in a given month. So let's say that I have a student, Aaron, whose birthday is on January 4th. I can go ahead and click on this circle, and it will take me to a special slide that showcases Aaron for his birthday. So you can leave the slide as simple as this, where you're just showing how old he just turned here, or his name, or you can go a little further. You can begin to link things to these different objects. So if you want, you can link a video message to the birthday card where you yourself or parents are leaving a message for that student. So that's a really fun idea. On the presents, you can also go and link those. Maybe you're giving out a no homework pass for their birthday or something simple like that. That just is something to make them feel extra special, since it's kind of hard to do physical gifts at the moment. So those are ways that you can go ahead and use this classroom. It's super cute and fun. And now I'm going to show you how you can edit it for your own needs. So once you go into the presentation, on this first page, you can see that all of the slides are already linked. So January, February, March, April, all the way through December, they're already linked to their specific page. You don't have to do anything for that. This is already ready to go on Teachers Pay Teachers, ready for you to just download and move forward with. What you will need to do is go and move these blue circles to the dates of your specific students' birthdays. So once you go and move a circle to a specific day, let's say it's going to be the 14th of January, you can go ahead and link that page by clicking on it, making sure it's highlighted, and going to your toolbar up here and go to Insert Link. So once you insert link, you're going to go to this little drop-down bar that says slides in this presentation. You're going to link it to those slides that are specific for a student, which are on the bottom of the presentation. So if you go all the way down, you can select which slide. And the slide I need is slide 15. So I'm going to go select it and apply. So once I do that, I can see that this will now take me to that slide, slide 15, where I can customize this. I can go ahead and write how old that student is turning, and I can add their name, and then it will be ready to go. Like I mentioned before, you guys can continue to add more things, or you can leave it just like this. If you wanted to add a birthday message to the card, you would click on the card here, click on link again, and then just paste in the URL to whichever video message that you received. If you wanted to do the same with the presents, you'd click on it, click on link, and then paste in the URL, press apply. Okay, so what I would recommend doing is duplicating these slides by just right-clicking and going to duplicate slide and having all of your slides ready for the entire year. So that way you don't have work to do each month. You can just have these ready throughout the whole year and go through and move these little circles to whatever dates you need and already have them linked so that you can just present this, and throughout each month you can say, hey, we have a student that we want to recognize, their birthday's coming up in 4 days. Let's click on it when it's time, and it's already ready to go. So again, this is in my Teacher Pay Teacher store. I'm going to do a promotion where the first 3 people who leave a comment on YouTube itself, directly in YouTube, will get this resource for free. So the first 3 people who leave a comment on YouTube will get this resource for free. Just go ahead and leave your email address so I can email it directly to you. But after that, this is going to be linked on my Teacher Pay Teacher store. It's super easy to work with. All of the months are already specific for 2020 to 2021. And you guys can go forward and continue to use this after the year, because all of these little tables and calendars are editable. So you can go ahead and change out to next year's dates and continue to use this. Also, I have added in the notes of every slide how to replace my Bitmoji with your own. So if you're using the Bitmoji Chrome extension, you can just go ahead and open that up and type in the word birthday, and you'll find this exact Bitmoji for yourself, and you can just replace it for your classroom. Okay, so that is how I plan on celebrating my students and making them feel special on their birthdays through remote learning. And this is something that I can continue to use once we go back in person as well. So as always, please like this video, leave a comment in the comment box below, and this link for this resource will be in the description box. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, Loving Little Learners, for more videos. Thank you.